Big data biology integrate large-scale data sets like genomic, proteomic, transcriptomic, and imaging with computational tool to understand the biological insight. If we talk about the data characteristic of these big data, these are defined by three V's, that is volume, the massive amount of data set produced in the biological sector. The another one is variety. These data are usually heterogeneous data. And apart from that, velocity. This kind of data are produced in R&Ds and lab in a rapid generation way, which require faster and accurate analysis. If you talk about the challenges in the big data biology, the noise, the heterogeneity, and the integration of multi-omic layer, example encode data, proteomic, and imaging are few examples. Thus, by utilizing machine learning, AI, and network analysis and tools like Hadoop, map reduces the process and interpretations. Thus, integration is very important here by combining experimental data, for example, from CRISPR screen or RNA-seq with curated databases like BioGrid to identify conserved biological signals. Thus, combining experimental data with curated database to identify conserved biological signals are important. Here we must also understand the functional conservation. Big data biology also impact functional conservation by predicting pathways conservation across organisms using protein network mapping beyond the sequence-based orthology. It can also help in identifying novel gene diseases association, for example, RSF1 in breast cancer. Through the integrative analysis of expression and interaction network, it also enables systematic selection of experimental model by analyzing functional analogs across species. Although the big data are prone to artifact, despite the challenges, big data biology has a huge application in research. This can accelerate the discovery of biomarker, drug target, vaccine development, and disease mechanics. Here are a few of the application of big data biology. The number one is in the genomics. This enables genome-wide association studies and personalized medicine via next-generation sequencing data analysis. It also has impact in clinical informatics by enhancing the diagnosis, treatment using EHRs and predictive analytics. For example, in the cancer metastasis prediction. Along with that, drug discovery by prioritizing the therapeutic target by analyzing the biological and molecular pathways. Additionally, synthetic biology by guiding the metabolic engineering and minimal genome design through multi-omic data integration. And lastly, public health by predicting the disease outbreak via real-time monitoring of epidemiological data.